Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this unboxing and review because I've wanted these shoes from the moment I found they were going to come out. So let me just get into it. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the women's Denim Air Jordan 1s. So let's get into it. Y'all already know when you see a red box means it's a women's shoe. This is our paper. I like the paper because it shows the hoop that are on the laces. It's giving packaging. Like, I love the packaging. So open it. We have a white paper underneath, and here we go. Okay, so just a little bit about the shoe. The shoe came out September 22nd on Sneakers app and like a whole bunch of other places too. So I got these shoes from Social Status in Atlanta, and I'm so happy. I thought everywhere was going to be sold out, but I got these. I got a 6 in these shoes. I'm a 6.5, 7, and they felt good, so I got them because I wasn't missing out. It was one of those things like, oh, you want this shoe, you better get this shoe. But yeah, so oh y'all, these look so good. Okay, can we just admire for a second? Like, ooh, like, talk about step. This, they did it for the women's, because I've been talking about women's shoes and women, you know, coming out with this women's exclusive, and this is it. On this shoe we have white leather upper with stonewashed denim overlays. It's frayed, like, I like that. So our Nike swoosh is this denim and it's frayed. Our tongue is the denim too, which brings us to the Nike Air tag on the tongue, which I really like. It's a lighter blue. I like this blue. Our laces are white, but on my other shoe that I'm showing y'all, I put red laces on them just to show what both look like. I will be going with the white because I think the red just overdoes it for the blue for me, but to each his own. So also I just want to talk about this really pretty gem that we have on our laces. It's like a hoop with a jump man in the middle. You could honestly take these off. You just gotta take all the laces out and just take them off. It's super easy, and I like that they gave us a choice to be able to do that. We have Air Jordan on our heel. We have the Air Jordan logo, which has the denim overlays too that's frayed. I know I keep saying it's frayed, but I genuinely really like that in the shoe that is frayed. It just gives it like an antique little vibe. And our Nike Air is denim, and you could take it, well, our Nike Air tag, you could take it off. It's denim too, and it says Nike Air in red, which I like because it, you know, it kind of tells why they have red laces. We have a white midsole, and the outsole of our shoe is blue. It's that blue that I was saying that is on the Air Jordan tag, with the Nike Air tag on the shoe. I like the outsole blue. It's very cute. It's I think it's university blue. So I like that. Y'all, this shoe is so dope to me. Like, honestly, really like this shoe. I'm definitely gonna put it on for y'all and show y'all like what it looks like on my foot. My left shoe has red laces and my right shoe has the white. Now that I have them on, I kind of like the red. I don't know what it's getting though. It's getting. Yeah, so I don't have any dislikes of this shoe. I really don't. Like, my favorite thing though about these shoes is that the denim is frayed. I like that feel that it gives, the frayed feel. It gives like a little vintage feel. I genuinely really like this shoe. I like how the denim is placed. I like how it's not too much. I like how they also accented red in it, and also the blue on the outsole and the blue on the tongue. Like, I just like it. It's a good play on colors, and as you know, denim goes with everything. I feel like I can wear this shoe with like so much. I forgot to mention, so on one shoe we have the Jordan, like the Jumpman on the hoop, and then on the other shoe we have the Jordan, it just says Jordan and varsity lettering, and it's just cool. Like, it's just a good play on women, and like, you know, girl, we love our hoops and stuff. Obviously I'm not a hoop girl, but you know, we love our hoops, and I don't know, it just gives women, it just gives a divine woman touch, and I really like that. I feel like they really pay attention to women when creating this shoe. This is like a one-of-a-kind shoe in my opinion. I almost want to keep them in the box, never wear them, but I will be wearing them. But I don't know, I think this is a classic shoe to have, and I really say everyone should go get them. They just are $180. I don't think that's too bad for the type of shoe that you're gonna get. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you're gonna get the shoe, what you think about it, if you already got it. Just let me know, let's chat it up. But thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram, Daesiaxo, and just like, comment, and subscribe, and comment. Like, let me know what you like about the shoe. Let me know if you're not feeling it. Let me know if I'm, you know, just let me know. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.